Hello.
Hello, sir. Restaurant. We have the IKEA. Yeah.
This is my souvenir.
Anywhere? It's okay?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank
Hi,
you.
good afternoon.
Good
Welcome.
afternoon. Napakalaking TV mga kabarbers. Pwede tayo dyan mag-video, okay? Hello sir, how are you?
Welcome to Sweden.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. You had an idea what
Yeah.
the Swedish Pavilion is?
You can scan the QR codes later and you can read all about what they're talking about here in
Yeah.
more detail. All about stuff. Would you like to see what we have here? So here you can predict your future. You can play with it. It's interactive.
Okay, no problem. This is a sanitizer. Thank
Would you
you.
like to have more?
No need.
So here you can choose your region. You can filter the results by age group. And you can check by gender as well.
Yes.
And you can have predictions up to 2030, 2045, and 2060 based on current patterns. And it's talking about by the current pattern, how would your possibility be in your age group? What would be the top 10 causes of death? It's a little dark, but it's supposed to be educated.
Yeah.
But the idea here, what we have here is, this is the life science cluster, and it's also known as heartbeats. You'll see that the trees that are lighting up,
Yeah.
they're actually pulsing to the beat of heartbeats. Not human heartbeats, but their own heartbeats, because they're nature and they're also breathing.
Yeah,
and we need to save them, and they need us, and we need them too. So the idea here is, you see all the causes here, and we as Sweden, we offer solutions here. We have all the companies and partners with Sweden right now here, like Getching, Sobi, AstraZeneca, working for the future of cancer, HIV, maternal conditions, and they're already researching on them. So So here we have collaborators. Here also we have digital help, which will be the future tomorrow. And you can read more into detail or scan the QR code.
Oh, yeah.
And you can read all about them here.
Any bottom?
Here, you can just click on whatever you find interesting here. These are the different ideas that the different companies and partners in Sweden are offering. For instance, AstraZeneca, which is the first COVID vaccine. Sweden was the first in Greece, and they're working on creating the next generation of medicines. Also about, let's say, post-defining moments, cancer revolution. Can you read more about them?
Sure.
How do you find the pavilion so far?
So it's good.
Sorry?
It is it's a bit very big.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Beautiful.
You know, the trees there are actually 100 years old. We brought them all the way from Sweden.
Like a tree, yeah.
3,000 tons. But for every tree that we took, we planted 3 seeds back
Yeah.
in regions where there's... And those trees bear fruit. And the fruit goes to the people who are starving. And it's free.
Yeah.
We worked with a non-profit organization to build this pavilion.
Started to get.
If you're interested, you can plant a tree too here. We sell the trees over there in the store. So
Yeah,
you-
because
you
just
can-
now I came here.
Just to see.
Tomorrow,
Sure.
work again.
Okay.
So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I will check.